Welcome back to Headlines Today. If you've been tracking events in Mumbai, you would have known that a few hours ago, Raj Thackeray was detained and put into preventive custody. He has now been released from that police station, the RAF police station in Sine. These are visuals from just outside that police station where hundreds of MNS supporters had gathered to welcome him back out of his preventive custody. Our correspondents are on the ground covering these events live, and we'll be connecting you to them in just a moment. But these are visuals from outside the RAF police station in Mumbai, where you can see Raj Thackeray's vehicle now leaving with him in it. So Raj Thackeray had been put into preventive custody earlier today for violating section 149. There was what the police declared an unlawful assembly of workers of the MNS. And that is why he was taken into custody for leading it. Kamlesh Sutar has been tracking Raj Thackeray ever since he left his home for Vashi, where the toll booths were located. And then he was detained en route. Kamlesh, what's happening where you are right now? We can see some pretty chaotic scenes.
It seems now the chaos will come to an end as Raj Thackeray has been let off by the cops as he was detained at the RCF police station. For a while, Raj Thackeray is now, and just a while before left the RCF.
Kamlesh, I want to interrupt you. I'm very sorry. I believe Raj Thackeray is before the cameras and is expected to speak very shortly. Let's listen in.
मी आता एवढंच निवेदन इथे करतोय की महाराष्ट्रातल्या सर्व महाराष्ट्र नवनिर्माण सेनेच्या माझ्या सर्व सहकाऱ्यांना मी शांततेचं आवाहन करतोय. कुठेही तोडफोड किंवा कुठेही काहीही हिंसक कुठचीही गोष्ट आपल्या पक्षाकडनं होणार नाही याची त्यांनी खबरदारी घ्यावी. जे काय आपल्याला आंदोलन करायचं होतं ते केलेलं आहे आणि मी आता आतमध्ये असताना मला मुख्यमंत्र्यांचा फोन आला होता आणि त्याप्रमाणे उद्या सकाळी 9 वाजता सह्याद्रीवरती त्यांनी बैठक बोलवलेली आहे आणि त्या बैठकीला आम्ही जाऊ, आमचं म्हणणं सगळं मांडू आणि पुढे बघू किती दिवसात ते काय गोष्टींचा निर्णय करतात ते.
सर, एक प्रश्न असा आहे की तुम्ही शांतीपूर्वक
आजचा रास्ता रोको होता तो झालेला आहे. शेवटी तुम्ही एक जी गोष्ट आम्ही बोललो त्याप्रमाणे ती गोष्ट झालेली आहे. लोकांना त्रास देणं हा काही आमचा उद्देश नव्हता, तर सरकारला ही गोष्ट कळणं हा आमचा उद्देश होता आणि त्याप्रमाणे ती गोष्ट झालेली आहे.
सर, तुमचं डिटेन्शन आता गेलेलं तुम्हाला सोडलं आहे का त्यांनी?
हो, नाही तुम्ही सोडलं तर मी सुटीन.
पण साहेब, मुख्यमंत्र्यांकडनं तुम्हाला उद्या 9 वाजता बोलवण्यात आलेलं आहे. त्यांनी काय तुम्हाला आश्वासन दिलं? कारण तुमच्या
नाही, आता असं काही नाही. मला आता त्यांचा फोन होता आणि सकाळी उद्या 9 वाजता त्यांनी बोलवलं. पुढची भूमिका पुढे सांगेन.
सर, आपने कहा था कि जो भी अरे बताओ तो सही पहले कैमरा नीचे. थैंक यू सर.
Raj Thackeray speaking to the media shortly after he was released from that police station over there. My rough translation suggests that he said that he would have promised no violence, and at least in Mumbai that's what happened. We know that in Aurangabad there were clashes between the police and MNS protesters. He also said, most significantly, that there will be a meeting between him and the Chief Minister of Maharashtra at 9 p.m. this evening. He said, I don't know what the outcome of that meeting will be. Let's look ahead and wait to see what happens. He said that he regretted the inconvenience caused to Mumbaikars and residents of other parts of Maharashtra, but he had to help. The government had to hear what he had to say. Kamlesh Sutar was also listening in to that soundbite from Raj Thackeray and is now on the phone line with us. Kamlesh, if I made any mistakes in that translation, do correct me, but most significantly, a meeting between Raj Thackeray and the Chief Minister at 9 p.m. this evening.
The meeting between Raj Thackeray, whether Raj Thackeray will meet the Chief Minister, will be known. Raj Thackeray is also likely to speak to the media after he reaches his home, or maybe issue a statement about his further course of action. But at this point of time, Raj Thackeray has just left the RCF police station, and thousands of workers who were gathered outside the RCF police station are still tracking him, following him. Raj Thackeray will be headed directly towards towards his residence in Shivaji Park.
All right. The other side to it, Kamlesh, of course, is Raj Thackeray speaking over there and saying that he had promised no violence, and that's what happened. We do know that there were clashes between MNS workers and the police in Aurangabad, violent clashes as well.
Well, yeah, after Raj Thackeray was detained, he had appealed to his workers, and in fact even brought out a statement out of the RCF police station that his workers would not be indulging into any kind of violence. But then reactions came in from different parts of the state, including Mumbai. Even outside the RCF police station, Raj Thackeray was detained for a while. MNS workers indulged into vandalism. Some trucks were stopped and they were asked to asked to empty down their contents on the roads, thereby disrupting the traffic. So yes, there were some incidents, untoward incidents that led, but thankfully they were brought into control immediately by the police.
Kamlesh Sutar, many thanks for giving us that update on what's been happening outside the RCF police station in Mumbai.